Provence Welding Performance, as you guys can see. What do we have on our to-do list today? I don't know. I'm gonna tell you guys what the car needs. So the car needs, it's turbo. For you guys who don't know, my big turbo actually went. I don't know, something went into the turbo that caused it to break. I don't know what happened, but I was driving the car for about a whole year untuned, but I doubt that could be the problem. It has to be one of a lot of things, but I doubt it's a tune. And what I'm thinking is the dirt that could have gone into it. Because I bought the boost pipes and the intercooler second hand, I didn't clean it. I just decided to fit it on and go. So yeah, today we're gonna fit the stock turbo. A stock turbo. Not the one that came off this car, but it came off a different Polo. So the plan today is to fit this turbo and then hopefully give it a tune. And then that's about it basically. I think, you know, with cars, nothing ever goes as planned, but let's pray to God that everything goes well today. So I could literally feel myself sweating.
Lately inspired. Fight.
What do you see?
The blades bent.
Oh, probably because
there's no.
Against the thing, isn't it? Yeah.
This is a Mercedes turbo.
So which one is it? The
GTB 2055.
GTB 2050. 55.
Or 56.
So yeah, GTB 2056. Look at that plate. Yeah, that's not gonna. And then I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, don't know if you guys can tell how bent it is. Yeah, all of them. Could have been a nice turbo. So we're going from this big turbo to that small turbo again. So that's your stock turbo, your 39. Yeah, BB39 I think, yeah. So we're going back to that one. I see someone was at Kiloni. Are these Killarney numbers fresh? No, okay. Are you nuts? Are you? My seatbelt on, guys. This car's a beast, bro. Do you know how much we're going there now? Are you nuts?
No, I don't know.
Honestly, I wasn't expecting that. I was not expecting that. Does this guy have a screamer pipe on? Does it? Are you nuts?
I don't really want to do that into the car, but I'll do it for the video.
I love to hear. Are you nuts? He's loving that. Are you serious?
I broke the box.
Ooh. I think he sent it too hard, guys, but I don't blame this car with all that power. Let's just try to push it out of the way quickly. We were going when that first donut went, it felt like I was sitting in the back seat. Man, I honestly feel bad, but that experience, basically drifting in third gear, that cost something else, guys. Honestly.
That's not for sale.
Okay, not for sale anymore.
I was going to be, but I'm staying. I'm yet to stay.
He's here to stay.
Now, to get work so we can buy a new box again.
Rest in peace to the 318 sleeper. So Wendell from Big Boy Customs just popped in here to say hi, I guess, and then this is what he's busy with here. So basically he did the seats as you guys can see, and then obviously the door panels as well. I like what he did here, this whole piece of wood, and then a roof line, and he's gonna sort that out now as well. I don't know, it's probably gonna be black. It would be dope if it was this black leather.
Bye.